We have the cast of Hungama.com here with us, releasing very soon. So, it has to be a question to know what is the biggest Hungama that has happened in your life and you're never going to forget about it. So, we are going to start with Om.
Okay, out of so many Hungama I did in my life, one I remember is standing between two train compartments while the train is moving. So that
Shravanti, what was the Hungama in your life?
যেটা রিসেন্টলি আমি করেছি, ভয়েস চেঞ্জ করে আমার দিদিকে ফোন করে একটা ছেলের মতো অন্য নাম্বার থেকে, আমার বন্ধুর নাম্বার থেকে ফোন করে মানে তোমাকে ভীষণ ভালো লাগে এইসব করেছি। এটা আমার বেশ এখনকার রিসেন্ট হাঙ্গামা। আরো লাইফে অনেক হাঙ্গামা আছে, যেমন লোকে ভূতের ভয় দেখানো, গলা চেঞ্জ করে কথা বলা। তো
So catfishing
in my life. কোনটা ছেড়ে কোনটা বলবো?
Koshali, what's the Hungama in your life?
Recently what I did was I keep on doing mischief. So my manager, he keeps on dating, actually not dating, but he likes different women. So what I do is I remember my old days, okay, and I pretend to be him and keep on texting women because he's never successful in impressing a woman. So I do that.
So you're just helping him out.
Helping him out to find the girl.
The girl.
এখনো পেলো না।
কি বলবো মানে
Body
This kept on going while shooting. This kept on going. Anyways, the Hungama which I did was like I used to fight before a lot. So street fights, those Hangamas I don't want to get into anymore.
Oh, okay. Fun. Thank you so much. Thank you.